I want to use desktop content. My video server does not play that file. I want to use video conferencing for interviews. The VidiGo Toolbox, the answer to these 3 common studio dilemmas. Use the content from your desktop without using a scan converter. Bypass time-consuming re-encoding for last-minute videos. Create a playlist of stills and apply the so-called Ken Burns effect. Use a selected SDI source as return signal for video conferencing. Anything on the PC screen, direct to SDI. Freely select the desired region. YouTube video, Google Earth or any other web content is on air without scan converters. Use the famous VLC media player to play out video direct over SDI. Eliminate transcoding for unsupported codecs. The Still Store. The Still Store includes an image library, a playlist editor, and a source properties window. The Still Store outputs an SDI key and fill signal ready for use with your existing video mixer. Browse the image library and select the media you want to use in your broadcast. Drag your selection to the playlist editor to add it to your playlist. Click on an image inside the playlist to immediately bring it on air. Click on the Edit button to edit any of the image properties, such as its size, its position, or use functions like crop and color adjust to enhance the image. Use the keyframe animation option to create animation effects. Such animations effects can be used to, for instance, create the well-known Ken Burns effect. You can set the cross time and animation timing for each item in your playlist for flexible transitions. From the playlist controls, you can start, stop and reset the autoplay functions, including a loop if required. Of course, you can save your playlists for later use and load them back whenever they are needed. Video communication tools such as Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting, Skype, Viber are used more and more. Many broadcasters would like to take advantage of those modern video communication tools, but using them on air can be a complicated task. That is, when you do not use VidiGo's Toolbox. Start your favorite video communication tool, for instance Google Hangouts. Now use the video grabber to select your region of interest, in this case the feed from your call participant. Delay the incoming audio if needed to secure lip sync. Insert an image overlay for logos and/or branding if applicable. VidiGo Toolbox outputs a proper SDI signal that is ready for use within your broadcast video mixer, so you can use the video feed just as any other source on your mixer. Most broadcasters would also like to use their broadcast mixer to send back video and audio to the video communication tools, the so-called return signal, in order to let the persons in the video communication call see the studio broadcast, for instance. Use one output of the video mixer, for instance, to send an SDI video and audio feed direct to the VidiGo Toolbox input. The Toolbox provides handy video and audio override and intercom functionalities. These are the basic functions of VidiGo Toolbox and how you can use them. For further questions, please contact questions@vidigo.tv.